What is up, guys? It's your boy Grim. I know I haven't posted in a piece in a minute. Bruh. What is up, guys? It's your boy Grim back with another video, and you guessed it, another wide body build. So today we have our man here, Nathan, with his actually girlfriend's car, a Veloster Turbo. And yeah, we are in the process of putting, installing a wide body kit on that little thing. And yeah, it's a kit from
Easy Splitters.
Easy Splitters?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a kit bought from Easy Splitters. It's a pretty simple kit. It consists of four panels. And yeah, let me show you, Jesus, the lighting sucks here. Let me show you what we did so far. So actually the rear driver's side is like partially installed, as well as the front driver's side. So essentially today what we wanted to do is just to make sure that the fitment was on point. And it's pretty spot on, actually. It doesn't look too bad. With every wide body kits, just like the Mustang and every other kit, fiberglass is not always perfect. It comes, most of the time it comes warped. Like my kit, it came really pretty badly warped. I had to work the fiberglass to make it fit as the best as I could, actually, on my car. But yeah, that one is not too bad. The rear side here is held on by like 4 self-tapping screws, and it's pretty solid. You can pull on it and it's like,
We'll actually move the car.
yeah, it's actually moving the car. It's fucking crazy. But yeah, essentially we are going to install the 2 other pieces, the 2 other parts too. And after we make sure that everything fits the way we want, we're gonna take them off, drill out the holes that we'll need for the M5 bolts, because we are going to install this kit with M5 bolts and rubber nuts. And Nathan is going to go take care of the paint himself, because he is studying in body work. Yeah. Body work. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, it's a wide body again. I'm cutting fenders again. always cutting fenders. I'm pretty sure, like, how my life is going on, I'll never stop cutting fenders. Like lately I've been looking at cars and supercars that I wanted to buy, like in the future, and the Maserati Gran Turismo, like that car that you don't see many around.
They're not going for too expensive either.
Yeah,
like really, they're kind of affordable compared to other supercars.
Yeah, they're pretty affordable. Like, I've looked at them on Auto Trader and found some for like 45, 50K. Yeah. And actually Liberty Walk makes a kit for these cars. Really? Yeah. So I was like, bruh, I might do something crazy.
You know what other car isn't going for too expensive that I think you could work on? Like a Lotus.
A Lotus, yeah.
Lotus they're going for the same price range, and like they're not like the best cars, but like to work on and have a wide body on that, like something custom would be sick. Yeah,
that's true. Lotus too. They're like quick go-kart cars. So yeah. So
here we are.
Yeah, let's do it. So this is what the rear end looks like with the flares on.
And winter tires.
Yeah. It's still on winter tires, the wheel setup is coming soon. But yeah, it looks good. Can't wait to see the end product. It's gonna be crazy. So guys, this is what the car is looking like right now, with the winter wheels, but with the flares on. People are already like breaking their necks passing by, the Mustang and the Veloster. But yeah, guys, it's a work in progress. It's coming along. Nathan's gonna get this thing painted, and yeah, once you get the wheels, it's gonna look good. You think your girlfriend's gonna like it?
She already does.
She already
doesn't have a
does.
choice.
Ain't got no choice. It's literally like hell today. It's hot as hell. I'm sweating my balls off. But anyways, the white body is now off of the Veloster, and next time we're gonna see you guys is when the white body will be painted, and we'll go ahead and do the full install. So this means cutting the OEM fenders and putting the hardware, the rubber nuts, and the bolts. And yeah, it should look crazy because white body cars are crazy. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, peace out, guys. See y'all in the next video.
That's my